Dad, my current teacher, Ms. Mills and Ms. Corbett, and Mr. Sargent are absent. Ms. Diaz is the same. My experience at PS Learning Center John B. Rushworm has been a long journey that begins in kindergarten up to 5th grade elementary school. Throughout the years, I realized that everyone needs someone to show how they care, and here at PS Learning 7, you all have done that for me. That is why I'm standing here today. I would like to thank all of the teachers from kindergarten to 5th grade who gave me the proper knowledge that would prepare me for the future days to come. First, I must thank Ms. Wilson, my kindergarten teacher, for making math not only easy for me, but fun for me. Also, Mr. Moran gave me confidence to ask teachers for help. He was always there to answer any questions I had about the work. Because of him, I never had to be confused of what to do. For this reason, I want to advise all the students to never be afraid or too shy to ask any questions in the class. Caring teachers will always do their best to help you. Aren't teachers there to help us at PS Learning 7? They surely do. I can't forget Mr. Kelly, because without him, I would have a hard time reading these words in front of me. Right now, he taught me how to pronounce words in two of my classes. Learning a new language was challenging, but I have Mr. Kelly daily. That is why I want to advise all the students to be grateful for those who are there to help them. Mr. Kelly, you have made a difference in my life that will make me take the next level of learning. Ms. Mills, Ms. Williams, Mrs. Dodge, thank you so much for your hard work. This has made me ready for middle school. Remember, we students will always have to reach another level. Keep trying and never give up. You'll find people who can help you. I want to thank the lunch staff for giving us food every single day. That makes us start the morning with more energy. Believe it or not, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It helps us ready to learn. I want to encourage all of the students to be sure that you take care of your body. Eat, rest, and sleep. It's so important. At our school, our lunch staff, make sure to take care of eating part. Thank you so much. Now about sleep and rest. I want to thank my parents. They've been a long part of the journey because my dad encourages me. Thank you, Baba. My mom always supports me. Thank you, Mama. I appreciate you, Mom. I leave PS Learning 7 with so many memories. Swimming, rope parties, being on the basketball team, the star over guns, lots of fun stuff. Without Mr. and Ms. Diaz, these things would never likely happen. So a big thank you goes to Ms. Shan and Ms. Diaz for making sure we have so many opportunities during this day. In closing, I'd like to thank everyone for coming. We hope you enjoyed being with us to celebrate our journey to being great contributors in this world. And we could not have done it with all of you. Thank you.